Imagine a crisp morning over Iowa's farmlands. A nimble drone zips overhead, scanning crops with precision. Its sensors gather data on soil health, moisture, and plant growth, giving farmers insights that were once impossible to get so quickly. This isn't just futuristic tech, it's happening right now, changing the way America grows its food. Now picture California's rugged coast, where another drone helps first responders map wildfire paths. These flying machines can reach dangerous areas, sending back real-time images and data, helping firefighters make life-saving decisions faster and more safely than ever before. These aren't toys, they're essential tools, transforming industries right here at home. From agriculture to emergency response, drones are becoming as common as tractors or fire trucks, and their impact is only growing. This is the new American sky, buzzing with unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, reshaping how we work and respond to challenges. Every day, more drones take flight, each one a symbol of innovation and progress. Drones are everywhere, on movie sets capturing breathtaking shots, on construction sites surveying land, on farms monitoring crops, and in disaster zones searching for survivors. Their versatility is unmatched. For years, the market was dominated by a few big overseas players, with most drones coming from abroad. American companies often had to rely on foreign technology to keep up. But now, there's a push to bring this innovation back to American soil. Engineers and entrepreneurs are working tirelessly to design and build drones right here in the USA, aiming for both quality and security. Drones are helping farmers boost yields, keeping emergency services safe, and delivering medical supplies to remote areas. They're even being used to transport organs for transplant, saving precious minutes and lives. This isn't just about better cameras, it's about building a new generation of American industry. It's about jobs, innovation, and keeping our skies secure. The sight of drones in our skies signals a fundamental shift in how we solve problems, from city planning to disaster relief. Where we once needed helicopters or risky manual inspections, we now send small, efficient machines. Drones can inspect bridges, power lines, and pipelines, all while keeping workers out of harm's way. The hum of their rotors is the sound of progress, a new era of American ingenuity taking flight. As drones become more integrated into daily life, the question of who builds them and where matters more than ever. It's about ensuring our technology is safe, reliable, and truly our own. It's about trust, security, and national pride. When we see a drone overhead, we want to know it's built with American values in mind. While we celebrate this new age of flight, a critical conversation is unfolding in Washington and in American workshops. Lawmakers, engineers, and business leaders are shaping the future of this industry together. The focus, creating a secure, homegrown supply of this vital technology so we're not dependent on others for our skies. The goal, ensure the drones over our farms, cities, and military bases are built by us, for us, supporting American jobs and innovation. This is about security as much as patriotism. Our future depends on it. A new wave of American companies is rising to meet this challenge, bringing fresh ideas and energy to the field, and one of those companies is making serious noise, leading the charge for a new era of American-made drones. Out of Los Angeles, a new contender emerged in 2023, Neros Technologies, a company that's quickly making waves in the tech and defense industries. Their mission? To build the next generation of military-grade drones right here in the US, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in unmanned aerial technology. Neros was founded by Soren Monroe Anderson, a former professional drone racer with a passion for innovation and a deep understanding of drone dynamics. Soren's racing background means he knows drones from the inside out. Speed, agility, and precision are in his DNA, honed from years of high-stakes competition. He asked, what if we brought this level of performance and expertise to drones serving a national purpose, transforming them into tools for defense and security? Neros builds first-person view, or FPV, drones for military use. Think agile fighter jets in miniature, capable of complex maneuvers and rapid response. FPV puts the pilot virtually in the cockpit, allowing for incredible speed, maneuverability, and real-time decision-making in challenging environments. This capability is changing modern warfare, and Neros is at the forefront, helping to redefine how missions are carried out on the ground. Based in LA, they tap into a rich ecosystem of aerospace talent and tech innovation, drawing on the city's legacy of engineering excellence. In a remarkably short time, they've gone from bold concept to full-fledged manufacturing, scaling up production to meet growing demand. Neros is proving that a small dedicated team with a big vision can make a massive impact, changing the game for the entire industry. Neros is committed to a Made in America philosophy, no Chinese-made parts, period. Every drone they build is a testament to this unwavering commitment, with each component carefully sourced or crafted within the United States. In a world where most drone components come from China, this is a huge challenge. The global supply chain is dominated by Chinese manufacturers, making it difficult to find alternatives that meet strict quality and security standards. The Pentagon worries about security risks, hidden backdoors, espionage, sabotage. Even a single compromised part could put entire missions at risk, threatening national security. Imagine a military drone being remotely disabled during a mission. The consequences could be catastrophic. Lives, sensitive data, and critical operations could all be jeopardized in an instant. That's why the US government is pushing for a secure, domestic supply chain. They want to ensure that every link in the chain is trustworthy and accountable. Neros built their business around this need, sourcing or designing every component from scratch. Their engineers innovate constantly, developing new solutions to replace foreign-made parts. It's more expensive and time-consuming, but it's the only way to guarantee security. The extra effort and cost are seen as investments in the nation's safety and technological independence. Neros is one of only 2 US companies meeting the Department of Defense's strict supply chain requirements for this class of drone. This distinction is hard-earned and highly respected in the industry. This sets them apart as a trusted partner for the US military. Their reputation for reliability and integrity continues to grow with every successful deployment. While others struggle to untangle their supply chains, Neros is built from the ground up for security. Their entire operation is designed to prevent vulnerabilities before they can arise. They're not just a drone manufacturer, they're a symbol of technological sovereignty. Their work represents a new era of American innovation and self-reliance. In an era where security is paramount, Neros is leading the way. Their forward-thinking approach is setting new standards for the entire industry. Their achievement validates their entire approach, proving that American ingenuity can overcome even the toughest global challenges. Ambition needs fuel, and for Neros, that means capital. They've attracted major investment from top venture capitalists who see the strategic importance of American-made drones. This funding let Neros move from prototypes to full-scale manufacturing. With investor backing, they've opened a state-of-the-art factory, not a garage but a facility for high-tech military hardware. Here, American-sourced components become advanced Archer drones. Having their own factory means total control over quality and security. The new facility is a symbol of growth and readiness to meet rising demand. The Pentagon needs thousands of drones, not just a few. By investing in infrastructure, Neros is positioning itself as a major supplier for the Department of Defense. They're laying the groundwork to become a cornerstone of the American defense industrial base. The Pentagon's interest in Neros is driven by a shift in defense strategy. The war in Ukraine showed the future of warfare: swarms of small, cheap, disposable drones. Neros specializes in exactly this kind of technology. The Department of Defense's Blue UAS initiative certifies secure American-made drones. Neros is an ideal candidate. Their strict no Chinese parts policy offers the Pentagon a guarantee of security. But it's also about rebuilding America's manufacturing base for critical tech. By supporting Neros, the Pentagon invests in long-term national security. Neros meets an urgent need for agile, high-performance FPV drones. Their focus and commitment have put them in the Pentagon's sights as a potential long-term partner. Despite challenges, Neros has scored major early wins. They secured a contract to supply Archer drones to Ukraine, real-world combat, not just a test. Ukraine's battlefields are a proving ground for new tech, and Neros's drones have performed under fire. This gives Neros invaluable feedback, letting them rapidly improve their designs. Their success in Ukraine is a powerful demo for other customers, including the US military. On the home front, Neros earned a spot on the Department of Defense's Blue UAS cleared list. This certification means they're pre-approved for purchase by any branch of the US military. It removes a major layer of red tape and signals trust. These two achievements, combat validation and DoD certification, make a compelling case for Neros. They've proven their concept, secured their supply chain, and shown value on the battlefield. Now, they're perfectly positioned for the next big step, a major Pentagon contract. What makes the Neros Archer drone special? Let's look under the hood. The Archer is a high-performance military-grade FPV drone for one-way missions. Think smart, pilot-guided missile. It flies over 100 miles per hour, making it hard to detect and shoot down. Its advanced FPV system gives pilots a crystal-clear, immersive view, allowing precise control in complex environments. All core components are American-made, making the connection highly resistant to jamming and hacking. In Ukraine, Archers have targeted enemy armor and command posts, giving soldiers a crucial edge. U.S. Special Operations units are evaluating the Archer for its speed, stealth, and precision. The design is stripped down and optimized for performance, no unnecessary extras. It can be assembled and deployed in minutes, ideal for troops on the move. The Archer is a brutally effective tool, representing a new paradigm in tactical aerial systems. Neros, a bold American startup, has built a secure supply chain, attracted major funding, opened a new factory, and proven its tech in battle. They're now a trusted DoD vendor. The next step, landing a large, long-term Pentagon contract. The need is clear. The Pentagon wants to move away from Chinese drones and build a resilient domestic base. Neros is one of only 2 companies that meet the strictest requirements. Their Archer drone is proven and in demand. But defense contracting is complex, and success isn't guaranteed. Neros must keep innovating, scaling, and making their case in Washington. Their journey is a test case for a new model of defense acquisition, one that values speed, security, and innovation. The story of Neros is about more than drones. It's about American ingenuity and the future of national security.